Hello everyone. I'm Leena. On behalf of Bacha Panti is going to conduct our today's Facebook session. So today we have a beautiful family with a beautiful princess Manasvi from Jaipur. Hi princess, how are you?
I'm good.
I'm good. So what's your good name? Manasvi?
Yeah.
Yeah. किसने रखा
Yeah.
ये नेम? मम्मा ने पापा ने?
Um,
It's a challenging question. Is you have to ask your mama papa.
मम्मा ने
मम्मा
Mama,
ने मम्मा ने रखा. It's a beautiful name. So we
thank
are excited to introduce Mr. Vasudev and Miss Meenal, parent of today's star. So today's star is Manasvi. Yes, Manasvi. So you are a star. What do you feel today?
nervous.
Nervous? Why are you nervous?
Uh, I
Hmm?
don't know.
Yes.
अभी आप
I don't know.
स्टार हो गए तो आप नर्वस हो रहे हैं, पहली बार है इसलिए.
Yeah, this is
It's a
Yeah.
first
first
time.
time. It's a
Yeah,
first time actually. Yeah.
yeah.
दैट्स वाई यू आर नर्वस. और जब आप बहुत बड़े सेलिब्रिटी बन जाने वाले हैं और हम आपके आगे पीछे ऑटोग्राफ के लिए घूमेंगे, तब तब हम नर्वस हो जाएंगे. मनस्वी, ऑटोग्राफ प्लीज.
Huh?
हम्म. तब कैसा फील होगा? व्हाट डू यू फील दैट टाइम?
Um, excited.
एक्साइटेड. सो आज आपको यही फील लेना है. यू आर अ स्टार ऑफ टुडेज इवनिंग. ओके. So
Okay.
everyone see you. सब देख रहे हैं आपको. So today you are a star. So you have to feel proud. You are a student of Bacha Panti and you are on Facebook session. You are live right now. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you give us little bit introduction of yourself?
Yes. My name is Manasvi Kataria. I live in Jaipur. I study in Jeshri Periwal High School and I'm in grade 6.
You are in grade 6. Okay. What's your hobbies?
Mm, badminton, swimming, gymnastics.
Badminton, swimming. Okay. And what about do you like the indoor games?
Yes.
Yeah. Which type of indoor game you like?
Table tennis.
Table tennis. Okay. And can you say about little bit about these classes, these Bacha Panti classes?
Yes.
Hmm.
I like Bacha Panti classes because there are many fun activities.
Oh, which
Like
type of activity is in conducted in Bacha Panti classes?
there are many games, blindfold and brain gym exercise.
Okay, very good. Okay. Now, Mr. Vasudev and Miss Meenal. Yes, can you give us little bit introduction? Actually, we are excited to see you.
Uh, I'm
Hello.
I'm Vasudev. I work in Dubai in a company called Liva as head of brands, and I'm
Great.
very excited, to be part of this session. And this is the first time I'm going to see how Manasvi is doing this thing because I don't
Oh,
stay here. I stay in Dubai, and I
okay.
keep coming here regularly. But my wife Meenal, I think she's the one who has seen her entire journey with Bacha Panti.
So Miss Meenal will tell us about the journey of Bacha Panti with Manasvi.
Yeah, definitely. My name is Meenal, and we are currently staying in Jaipur. We started Bachapanti journey from Indonesia. I saw one
Okay.
of my friends' status that this blindfold the kids can do with meditation and all. I said, who can tell that meditation can happen with kids? Kids cannot do. So I was excited to see how they can do. Then I came to know with Lalit sir, and I contacted him. Then he convinced me. After so many sessions, he convinced me, yeah, they can do. And now, yes, I can see Manasvi can also do.
So now
It's
you
only
believe
because
that.
of Bachapandi. Yeah, now I believe and I can tell others also now confidently. Yes.
Great. It's a great achievement for us actually.
Yeah,
कि
that's
अभी
true.
आपको किसी ने रेकमेंड किया, आपने किसी को देखा, देन यू रिकमेंड अदर्स कि दिस
Hmm.
इज द एक्चुअली दिस हैपेंड.
Yeah, actually, it happens.
वेरी
I
Still
वेरी नाइस.
also.
don't believe it, but yes, because I still ask her, are you able to see? No, but then she's able to do it. It's amazing what she has achieved. So thank you, teachers,
हाँ.
for
So who
getting her
is
to
their
this stage.
teacher? Manasvi.
Yes. Sonali.
Miss Sonali. Miss Sonali is your teacher. So how is
Yes.
she?
Nice.
She is little bit strict?
No.
No? Yes. No. So how is she? Tell me. Tell me about your teacher.
Nice. She is nice, funny, and
Funny.
yes.
She's
And
like a joker.
no, not
No.
that.
So you enjoyed the class actually. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, she always look forward that when is my class coming? I want to do that class because it's weekly twice only, but she want to do more and more.
Oh, great. So we continue our classes for 5 days, 5 days week. Yeah, sure. Want to take?
Yes, but
Yes.
yes.
Okay. So Miss Meenal, have you seen any other changes in Manasvi's behavior or Manasvi's career in
Yeah,
education?
I can see it. See, her concentration has increased due to that. I need not to sit too long with her for the studies. She is able to learn like this because they not only do the blindfold, they are teaching many things like how to learn the things because they will they are doing that 20 words they are giving. You have
That
to
is,
know that on which number sequence they are coming. So she is able to do everything. Because of that concentration, memory, everything is increased. I can see all the changes.
so what is this activity called, Manasvi?
What is it?
Recalling.
Yes,
Recalling. So you are able to recall 20, 30 words. Yeah?
20.
If we are going to give you 20 words in random 20 words, then you can recall in sequence. Yes?
Yes.
It's a power
But
of,
I can see.
it's a power of our brain.
Yes.
Yes?
And the small tricks told in Bachapanti that how you can recall, how you can learn.
Yeah.
It's small things, but yeah, we never use them regularly. So, but Bachapanti is telling how to use it properly. That's the only
Yes.
benefit.
Yes.
It's not only blindfolded, many more activities.
Yes. Manasvi, you are using both hands, I think. Using
Yeah,
opposite hand.
she is able to write with both hands,
Oh,
left hand
yeah.
also.
Left hand also. You are writing with left hand also. So what is the benefit of using of left hand?
Powering our left brain, left
Oh,
side of the
left side of brain. So, okay. Can you tell us how many parts of brain have?
two.
Two. Like our two hands. The one hand right hand, one hand left hand. Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me, when we are using left hand, which part of our brain is working?
Left.
Left. When we are using left hand,
Oh, left hand is left.
when we are using right hand, then
Right.
right. When we are using right hand, our left part is working. And when you are using left hand, our right part is working. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So, okay. Tell me, what's your favorite activity in class?
Blindfold.
Blindfold. Okay. So, can you demonstrate our blindfold activity? Our audience want to see how Manasvi is going to do blindfold activity.
Okay.
Okay. Just Miss Meenal, can you put a blindfold?
Right.
Okay. Ready, Manasvi?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what do you want to do with blindfold?
Um,
I
tic-tac,
know. What's your favorite game?
tic-tac-toe.
टिक-टैक-टो. Okay. आपको पता है जब मैं छोटी थी तो मैं क्या बोलती थी इस गेम को?
TikTok?
नहीं. जीरो
Um,
कट्टा. It's a new name for you?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Before tic-tac-toe game, just can you see something in my hand?
Yeah. A card.
Yeah.
5 hearts.
Very nice. Okay. I'm shuffling the cards over the screen. Now Manasvi will tell. What is it?
9 diamonds.
Very nice. Okay. Now I have another cards. Okay. Yes, Manasvi.
Lollipops.
Yeah. One for you, one for your mama, one for your papa.
There are numbers on
Yeah.
3, 6, and 1.
Wow, great, Manasvi. Okay. Can you read over the screen?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, what is on my hand?
Science.
Okay.
Start up.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now we play a game. Okay. Your
Okay.
favorite game. I'm sharing my screen.
Okay.
Okay. Just give me a second.
The screen is.
Okay. Now, Manasvi,
Annotate option. Where is it?
can you see my screen?
One option.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let's play with me. Who start first? You and me.
Yes.
You or me?
You have to
You.
draw.
पर इसमें
Me?
edit
Yeah.
वाला
Okay.
option कैसा है ना?
Okay. I
Okay.
start. Can you annotate the
Edit.
screen with blindfolded?
Yeah, but I don't know.
The edit option is not coming. I will check.
Just check the annotation option.
Draw.
Draw.
There is a 3 dot. Where is an annotation option?
Maybe 3 dot more.
Where more? कहाँ पे है मुझे?
3 dot ऊपर या नीचे.
The
That
drawing.
can be the bottom left as well. There is a pencil sign in the bottom left. You can draw. If it is visible in your screen, bottom left.
Whereas we cannot see.
Is
So,
it up?
Manasvi,
But
Manasvi can tell
Manasvi, you
which
can
row,
tell.
which row or which column you have to put.
The second row in the middle. Yes.
Okay, second row in the middle. So you play with me orally. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So second row middle. Oh, circle.
So
Okay. Now I paused. Then tell me.
a third row middle.
Third row middle.
Yes.
Is it correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now I crossed here.
First row, third one.
First row, third. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes. Actually, I want to win.
Second row, first column.
Second row, first column. Oh my God.
Nobody win.
Last row, third column.
So who wins? No one?
No one.
No one. Okay. Just okay. Okay, I'm written something here. Just can you see my screen? What is written over the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Bachapanti.
Wow, great. Okay, one more. Uh, now,
Brain power.
yeah, very nice, Manasvi. It's a great demonstration. You
Thank
enjoyed the game?
Very good, Manasvi.
Very good, Manasvi.
Thank
You
you.
played very well. Okay, now you can open your blindfold. Relax. Relax. Yes. So
Yes.
आज की स्टार ने इतने अच्छे गेम्स खेले. You
Yeah.
played very well.
Thank you.
अब पापा को ट्रस्ट हो गया ना अच्छे से? पापा ने आज पहली बार देखा है.
Yes.
Yes.
I was seeing it for the first time what she was doing here. Amazing, Manasvi.
So can you share the मनस्वी's experience? आप मनस्वी की साइड से कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? मनस्वी ने इतना अच्छा किया तो आप बीइंग अ पेरेंट, बीइंग अ फादर, तो आप कैसा फील कर रहे हैं?
I feel amazed and proud. I mean, she's a very good student, but she's taken interest, and I am still amazed at how she was able to read because we blindfolded it properly, so she cannot see the screen. I think that's quite clear because we have done it. There is even cotton layer inside, so it's not only blindfold,
Yeah.
and it's amazing to see what she has been able to achieve with your support. So thank you, and I'm really proud of what Manasvi is doing, and I hope
Thank you.
she continues to learn and improve
We
further.
have actually we have lot of stuff. We have lot of exercises. We have lot of games. We have other activities apart from blindfold. Abhi to blindfold is a small thing actually. We have lot of things. When you continue with us, we have lot of things to give you. आप इतनी सारी चीजें सीख जाओगे कि आपको खुद ही हैरानी होगी, ओके मैं ये भी कर सकती हूँ. ओके मनस्वी,
Yes.
Now
तो अभी
she,
तो
the next step is she want to do Rubik's Cube blindfold because she know how to solve the Rubik's Cube.
तो
Now she
let's
want to do Rubik's Cube with blindfold.
next class we can continue this practice. We have many kids to do the solve the Rubik cube with blindfold. We have many
Without
kids.
blindfold she is able to do, but now she next step is
So-
with blindfold. Mama, I want to do now.
So okay, don't worry. In next class you have to do. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Tell me मनस्वी, आपने कभी अपने फ्रेंड्स के आगे, मम्मा पापा के फ्रेंड्स के आगे कभी ब्लाइंडफोल्ड शो किया है? किसी को दिखाया?
Friends.
फ्रेंड्स को?
Friends.
तो फ्रेंड्स का क्या रिएक्शन था?
Good. Amazing.
First
Amazing.
question is दिख तो नहीं रहा कहीं से.
Yes.
like I was like that.
एक्चुअली सबको यही लगता है दिख तो नहीं रहा कहीं से. तो अभी इस केस में हम क्या करते हैं, ओके आप लगा के देखो अपनी आईज पर. हमारे साथ भी ऐसा होता है, कई बार बच्चों को बोलते हैं कि आपको दिख तो नहीं रहा, तो हम क्या कहते हैं कि आप लगा के देखो. बच्चों को बोलते हैं आप लगा के देखें सामने वाले, तो वो लगा के देखते हैं, उन्हें कुछ नहीं दिखता, तब उन्हें बिलीव होता है कि हाँ कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है, क्योंकि एक्चुअली इट्स समथिंग न्यू. ये ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है जो इजीली लोग बिलीव नहीं कर पाते हैं. मेडिटेशन में इतनी पावर है कि हम क्लोज आइज से देख पा रहे हैं. हमारे ब्रेन में इतनी पावर है कि हम सब कुछ क्लोज आइज से देख पा रहे हैं. और ये अभी की नहीं, वैदिक गुरुकुल टाइम से ये सब चला आ रहा है. अगर
She's
अगर
able
आपने
to do
सुना
the
हो,
Vedic calculation also what we were teaching in Bachapanti. She is able to do that also very fast. I don't know how, but she is able to do.
so we have Manasvi knows the tricks. Yes,
Yes.
yes. So you can able to do the math calculation fast.
Yeah.
तो अभी जब आप क्लासेस में अपनी मैथ्स कैलकुलेशन फास्ट करते हैं या कोई लर्निंग पार्ट जो आप लर्निंग का वर्क है वो स्पीड से करते हैं, तो आपके टीचर्स कैसा फील करते हैं? वो कुछ कहते हैं आपको?
Happy. They feel happy. Yeah.
तो उन्हें नहीं लगता मनस्वी आपने इतना जल्दी कैसे कर लिया?
Manasvi maths after math paper mama बहुत easy आया था. 20 out of 20 आना है.
हाँ.
आया था.
मनस्वी 20 आउट ऑफ 20 आउट ऑफ 20 से ज्यादा आ भी नहीं सकता ना? यस, उससे ज्यादा आ सकता है?
नहीं.
नहीं आ सकता. ओके, वन मोर क्वेश्चन मीनल जी आपके लिए. कई बार पेरेंट्स की ये क्वेरी होती है या पेरेंट्स को ये प्रॉब्लम होती है कि हमारे बच्चे तो पढ़ने ही नहीं बैठते, या पढ़ने बैठते हैं तो वो फोकस नहीं कर पाते, कंसंट्रेशन नहीं रहता. तो ऐसा कुछ आपने कभी मनस्वी में देखा?
मनस्वी मतलब शुरू से वो अपने स्कूल से आएगी, शी विल फिनिश हर होमवर्क एवरीथिंग. मुझे कहने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, बट ये है कि आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग बच्चापंती आई कैन सी दैट जो काम 1 घंटे में होता था वो हाफ एन आवर में हो रहा है. सो इसको वैसे तो फोकस की ऐसे प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी, बट हाँ बट टाइम जो है वो
टाइम
हाफ हो गया है
लिमिटेशंस
कंप्लीट
कम हो
करने में.
गई, मतलब टाइम
पीछे तो
स्पैम
है
जो
ही
है
है,
वो, हाँ पहले 1 घंटे में करती थी, अब वही वर्क वो
अब
आधे
हाफ
घंटे
एन
में
आवर
कर
में.
ली.
अब मतलब ये है कि हाँ मैथ्स में एक बार बस एग्जाम के लिए 18 तो ले ही आएगी, बट हाँ 20 के लिए जस्ट 5 मिनट्स ब्रश अप, दैट्स ऑल.
तो
मतलब
इट्स एक्चुअली
स्पीड
अमेजिंग
बढ़
ना
गई है.
कि 1 घंटा बच्चा पहले पढ़ रहा है, उसके बाद अब वो हाफ एन आवर में ही उतना वर्क फिनिश कर रहा है. कि
हाँ,
वी हैव
that's all.
लॉट ऑफ रिव्यूज फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स साइड कि पहले बच्चों को ना बोलना पड़ता था पढ़ लो, और वो 1-1 1.5 घंटे 2-2 घंटे अपने होमवर्क में लगे रहते थे या लर्निंग में, और अब वो एग्जाम टाइम में लर्न नहीं करते, जस्ट गो थ्रू द सिलेबस, ओके आई हैव डन, आई हैव डन, वो ये बोलते हैं आई
Many
हैव
parents have
डन।
asked me that blindfold से क्या हो जाएगा जब हमें originally दिखता है, why you need to see through blindfold? I said it's not only blindfold. Many more other activities are also. Blindfold is just 10 to 15 minutes from 1 hour. Rather than
एक्चुअली
45 minutes are different things, which she always look forward कि आज मुझे मिस ये पूछेगी, आज उसकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है, लेफ्ट हैंड से लिखना है, मम्मा I can write from both the hands now. She can do calculation with blindfold also on the screen. So many things, not only blindfold, many other things are also there
it's
which she
not
enjoys.
only about the blindfold actually. You are
That's
correct,
all.
क्योंकि blindfold is just a attraction, or it's a
Yeah,
judgment area.
that is
It's a
the
judgment
main
area.
attraction for kids. But
Yes, it's a attraction of the kids and it's a judgment area, like a exam, कि हमारे ब्रेन मेरे पार जो है वो कितना एनहांस हो गया।
correct.
ओके अभी नॉर्मली अगर हम नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट से जो बच्चापंती क्लासेस नहीं ले रहे हैं उनसे बोले आईज क्लोज करो, देन यू आर एबल टू सी एनीथिंग, तो दे सेड नो, but our kids are able to see, so it means their brain power enhanced, that's why they will be able to see all the things. तो इट्स अ जजमेंट एरिया, लाइक जब हमारे एग्जाम्स होते हैं तो पूरे सिलेबस में से एक पूछा जाता है कि अच्छा आपको ये आता है, आता है। एग्जाम एग्जाम किस लिए होता है कि जजमेंट होता है कि आपका 4th क्लास का 5th क्लास का सिलेबस आपका कवर हो गया, अब हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू अचीव दिस। तो सेम एज इट्स अ जजमेंट एरिया कि ब्लाइंडफोल्ड से अगर बच्चा देख पा रहा है, इसमें इट मीन्स उसका ब्रेन पावर एनहांस हो गया।
That is
एक और
true.
चीज बताना चाहूंगी, पेरेंट्स को बहुत समझने की जरूरत है कि हम अपने बच्चों पर ना कहाँ पर हम उनके लिए स्पेंड कर रहे हैं मनी। सभी पेरेंट्स बहुत अवेयर हैं अपने बच्चों के लिए, सब चीजें वो उनकी विशेष पूरी करते हैं, सब कुछ दिलवाते हैं, मतलब बस फोकस करना है, पेरेंट्स को सोचना है कि वो करेक्ट जगह पे इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे। नो वन
One
इज
more
गूगल
question.
बॉय, कोई
One more
गूगल
question.
बॉय नहीं होता।
My few friends asked that they have very small kids, 1 year, 2 years, so they want to know about their courses also. If there are some courses related to 4 years, 5 years, like
So,
that.
Bachapante is starting from 5 years, but we already started one more course is Balpan. It's for
Okay.
it's a new for newborn babies. ये न्यूबॉर्न बेबी से स्टार्ट हो रहा है और टिल 5 years। जैसे
That
हम
means
कहते
it is
हैं
for
लाइक हम
parents.
या जैसे हम कहते हैं अभिमन्यु ने गर्भ में ही सब कुछ सीख लिया।
ये तो काफी जल्दी हो गया बट
तो वी ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड दिस कि अभी छोटे बच्चों से हमने स्टार्ट कर दिया है, तो वी फील
but
वेरी
what
प्राउड।
they will do, the small kids, what they will do in that Balpan
So
course?
we train our parents actually, not for the kid. तो हम पेरेंट्स को वहां पर ट्रेन करते हैं कि आपको कैसे बिहेव करना है बच्चे के साथ, आपको क्या एक्टिविटीज परफॉर्म करनी है, और आफ्टर 3 4 5 6 months दे विल एबल टू परफॉर्म हाउ मेनी डॉट्स इन द कार्ड्स, हाउ मेनी काउंटिंग्स इन देयर, सो दे आर एबल टू। जो 3 years के बच्चे रीडिंग करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे, सो इट्स एक्चुअली अमेजिंग। तो आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं कि वी हैव वन मोर ऑप्शन बालपन। सो अभिमन्यु का एग्जांपल भी आप दे सकते हैं कि
So
उन्होंने
this
सब कुछ कर।
the course which Manasvi is doing, the blindfold activity, is it available for the parents also?
नो नो नॉट एक्चुअली, वी कांट डू दिस, हम नहीं कर सकते, वी हैव लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन आवर ब्रेन।
No, but I love the journey of the blindfold, how they first taught the colors by touching, then smell, then everything goes like
But
this.
actually it's a age criteria, it's 5 to 16 years। तो उस टाइम पे बच्चे के न्यूरॉन्स जनरेट होते हैं, तो उस न्यूरॉन्स पे हम वो लोग वर्क करते हैं, तो बच्चा ब्लाइंडफोल्डली देख पाता है। अगर हम लोग करने लगे तो वी आर एबल टू डू, बट हमें बहुत टाइम चाहिए, लाइक 4 hours मेडिटेशन वी हैव टू डू, तो वी हैव नॉट इनफ टाइम कि हम 4 hours मेडिटेशन ही कर रहे हैं, तो हमारे ब्रेन में इतनी सारी टेंशन्स हैं, ये करना है वो करना है, तो वी एक्चुअली वी आर नॉट एबल टू डू, our kids able to do. So Meenal ji, thank you for your support. We are able to launch our course in Indonesia with your support.
So for 5 year kids, what course you're suggesting?
Say Bachapanti, they are able to do
Bachapanti
Bachapanti.
or
If they
Balpan?
are sitting uh, on online classes, we are going to give the Bachapanti classes
Okay.
for 5 year kids. We have lot of 5 year kids. तो
Mhm.
अभी उनको हमने स्टार्ट किया हुआ है, तो वी
हम्म।
कैन गिव द क्लासेस ऑफ बच्चा बनते।
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Meenal ji. Thank you, Vasudev ji.
Thank you
Okay,
so much.
what's your last message for audience?
Mine.
Yes, Manasi, you tell first.
Thank you for watching.
Oh, thank you for audience. Our little star say thank you. So thank you, Manasvi, and now Meenal ji and Vasudev ji. What's your last message for our audience?
Thank you for joining, and please do try this activity if you have kids aged 5 to 16. That's what you said. So I would
Now
encourage
I can say
everybody
that,
to.
yeah, I
Yeah,
also
you
believe now. You
now
can
you
also
are
believe.
you can say newborn to 16. So
Yeah,
we
now
have
I also believe now they can try now. At least they should have a demo. Then they can
Yeah,
decide they
sure,
want to do or not.
sure. We
Means,
have our first demo
after
session.
Manasvi's demo also, she was like that, Mama, when I'm having next class? When I'm having next class? She was after me that I want to do. I want to do.
So she is very excited to see that after see the demo.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's the
So
power of
Manasvi,
Bachapanta.
in next class, you have to try rubric cube with blindfold. Okay,
Okay.
I will be there, and you have to do lot of things. अभी आपको अपोजिट कार्ड, बॉक्स में कार्ड, बहुत सारी चीजें करानी है हमें. ओके, आपको
Okay.
अभी इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स आगे भी बहुत जाना है.
Okay.
जाना है ना? So we'll meet you in class. Thank you very much. Thank you, Meenal ji. Thank you, Vasudev ji.
Thank you so
Thank you
much,
for the
ma'am.
joining.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
It was
Thank
great
you.
to have.
Bye.
Thank you.